Decades of Jupiter observations have revealed something strange. People of all ages and from all parts of the world are fascinated and enthralled by the science of astronomy. Humans have an insatiable desire for learning more about the universe, making space documentaries surefire winners. However, not all myths about the universe are real. You've probably heard the tale of how Jupiter, the largest planet in the solar system, serves as our valiant protector. Without Jupiter, asteroids and comets would repeatedly strike the Earth, making it completely uninhabitable. The only small flaw in this fantastic tale is that it is untrue. To put it another way, the story is much more complicated than that long-standing myth would have you believe. Join us on our channel Digital Discoveries as we explore the story of a planet with a split personality as scientists reveal that Jupiter is not what we're being told. Let's take a trip back in time to the year 1770 to begin our tale. An astronomer by the name of Charles Messier found a new comet just a few months after Captain Cook's initial landing in Australia. You may already be familiar with Charles Messier, the inventor of the Messier Catalog, a list of the greatest clusters, galaxies, and nebulae in the night sky, considered a Bible for astronomers. Interestingly, Messier's inventory was never meant to serve as a foundation for a beautiful tour of the cosmos. It was Messier's list of hazy objects in the sky that weren't comets. Messier, a devoted comet hunter, spent his nights studying the sky with a telescope, looking for fuzzy moving blobs to identify as spectral passing visitors. While searching, he kept stumbling upon additional fuzzy blobs. To keep track of these stationary objects that constantly appeared in the same location, he made a list. The objects, at first glance mistaken for comets, were actually something else entirely. Thus, the renowned Messier Catalog was created. In addition to discovering and cataloging more than 100 of the sky's loveliest fuzzy blobs, Messier also uncovered a few true comets over his career. One of the most impressive and intriguing of these comets was discovered in 1770. The comet swiftly increased in size and brightness over the following nights, becoming visible to the unaided eye. However, it didn't take long to realize that this comet appeared odd. The comet's head was unusually huge, several times larger than the diameter of the full moon, instead of having a small, clearly defined head and an impressive tail. At its closest point to Earth on July 1st of that year, it tore across the sky at an unprecedented rate. Afterward, it began to diminish but remained visible for a while. Messier himself made the comet's final observation in October. What had taken place? The comet was remarkable in several aspects, including its big fuzzy head, which was far larger than normal for a comet. It traveled oddly, ripping across the sky far more quickly than comets often do, up to 42 degrees in 24 hours at its fastest, and it brightened rapidly. Astronomers soon realized the comet had passed extremely close to Earth. The comet, later dubbed Comet Lexell, had the closest flyby of Earth ever observed at a distance of only 2.2 million miles, about 6 times the distance to the Moon. This proximity explained its unusual appearance. Nevertheless, the same research also revealed an oddity. The comet had a short orbital period of 5.58 years, making it a part of what is now called the Jupiter family of comets. However, Comet Lexell had not been seen before. Why had it not appeared in 1764 or 1759 if it orbited the Sun every 5.5 years? When scientists analyzed its trajectory, they discovered Jupiter's massive gravity was to blame. In 1767, the comet approached Jupiter, which altered its orbit and sent it hurtling toward Earth. Jupiter's gravity seized the comet and pushed it inward, changing its trajectory and bringing it dangerously close to Earth. But why was the comet ultimately lost? 12 years after its encounter with Earth, Jupiter's gravity captured it again and ejected it from the inner solar system. This story illustrates Jupiter's dual personality. On one hand, it protects Earth by directing potentially dangerous objects away. On the other, it can send objects toward Earth that might not have otherwise approached. Jupiter is neither a hero nor a villain. It occupies a middle ground. Looking further back in history, impacts caused by Jupiter may have contributed to Earth's habitability, delivering water and other essential materials. Without Jupiter, Earth might have been a desolate, dry planet. Yet without such impacts, events like the asteroid strike that ended the age of dinosaurs might not have occurred, potentially changing the course of life on Earth. Thus, Jupiter's influence is far more nuanced than a simple tale of protection or threat. Its gravitational forces have shaped the solar system and Earth's history in profound ways, making it both an ally and a challenger in the cosmic story of life. Jupiter's immense gravitational field makes it a cosmic sculptor, shaping the paths of countless objects in the solar system. Its influence extends beyond the inner planets, reaching the asteroid belt, the Kuiper belt, and even beyond. This gravitational dominance is why scientists often refer to Jupiter as the gatekeeper of the solar system. However, being a gatekeeper comes with dual responsibilities, and Jupiter's actions don't always favor Earth. For instance, Jupiter's pull can prevent some asteroids and comets from ever approaching the inner solar system, redirecting them to more distant orbits. At the same time, its gravity can destabilize objects that were previously harmless, nudging them into new paths that bring them dangerously close to our planet. Comet Lexell's dramatic journey serves as a prime example of this duality. Yet Jupiter's influence may also have been crucial in the early solar system. Billions of years ago, Jupiter's gravitational maneuvers likely played a pivotal role in steering icy bodies toward Earth, delivering water and organic materials essential for life. These chaotic bombardments helped create the habitable world we know today. Still, this dynamic relationship between Jupiter and Earth raises a fascinating question. Would life as we know it exist if Jupiter were absent? On one hand, Earth might experience fewer impacts without Jupiter's disruptive force, leading to a more stable environment. On the other hand, the very impacts that Jupiter caused or directed toward Earth may have been necessary for the emergence of life. From delivering vital water to sparking evolutionary change, Jupiter's role continues to inspire debate among astronomers and planetary scientists. With its massive size and gravitational pull, it is both a protector and a provocateur. It offers us safety from some cosmic threats while simultaneously introducing others. This intricate balance shapes not only our understanding of the solar system, but also our perspective on what it means to coexist with such a powerful celestial neighbor. As technology advances, future space missions will shed more light on Jupiter's true impact on our solar system. From studying its atmosphere and moons to analyzing its gravitational effects, scientists are determined to unravel the mysteries of this giant planet. Jupiter's story is a reminder of the complexity and beauty of our cosmic neighborhood, where each celestial body plays a role in the grand symphony of the universe. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the history and science of Jupiter's enigmatic influence. The planet's dual nature as both a friend and a foe continues to challenge our understanding of the cosmos. As we uncover more about this giant, we gain deeper insights into the forces that shaped not only our solar system, but the conditions for life itself.